guys, Miss Charlie here with a tutorial and also a collab with my good friend Andi here on YouTube and Instagram. We have been talking on these platforms for a few years now. We were supposed to meet up a couple of years ago, but I messed up. We were supposed to meet up when I went to OhioCon, which is in Columbus, which is where she is. We go there every year. I take my sons and we took their friends that year. And we were supposed to meet up and finally meet, have some pizza, talk, hang out, whatever. And stupid me forgot my makeup bag at home. So I had to drive all the way back home, which is an hour away, to get it and then come back. By that time, it was too late for her to, for us to get together. And then after that, there was a whole debacle which happened, and I will link that below video talking about that and how we reconnected. If you haven't seen that, get ready with me. I'll link it below and talk about what happened and how we reconnected, and now we have connected again and finally got to meet, which was awesome. I was very nervous. It was her and her husband and me and my husband. And my husband was nervous because he's very nervous when meeting new people. I'm more of an extrovert. I can talk to anybody basically. And we had a good time. We went out to eat, we talked, and we had a good time. At least I had a good time. She said she had a good time. I hope she had a good time. I hope they both had a good time. So we can do this again. So it was so nice to meet her. And I just want to say thank you, Andi, so very much. I appreciate you a lot. She is just as beautiful in person as she is on this platform. Her eyes, if you've watched her channel, which I will link below, her eyes are very pretty blue, but in person they are striking blue. They are just gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She's very down to earth, very sweet, very nice. We have a lot of the same things in common, and hopefully we can remain friends not only on these platforms and also in person. So I was so happy to meet her and see her and talk to her in person, because she's one of those people who likes to talk in person and not texting all the time and things like that. So it was a blessing that we got together and this happened, and I'm so happy it did. So thank you again, Andi, for making it happen and us finally coming together and seeing each other in person. So that was just a wonderful experience. She's the second person that I have befriended on this platform that I actually met. My friend Jessica, I met her many years ago from her YouTube channel. She still has it, but she doesn't really do any content. She's focused on her family and her artwork. She's an artist, but she's very talented. I will link her below too if you want to check her out. She's very sweet, outgoing. I met her on YouTube, and then me and my friend went to Chicago, and I didn't even realize that she worked in a Sephora. I knew she was from Chicago, but I didn't know where or what she did, and found out she worked at Sephora. And we happened to go to the Sephora where she worked and met her, and that was great. And that was a friendship between the three of us that just kind of instantaneously happened, and we've been friends ever since. I've visited with her many times. I haven't visited her since 2019. She since had a child who will be 3, I believe, who just turned 3 this month, and then she's getting ready to have her second. So I am going to make the time to get there, hopefully next year, get there and meet the children and see her, because again, I haven't seen her since 2019, but we do communicate. So I miss you, Jessica, if you're watching. Hopefully we'll get to see you soon, and the babies and whatnot. So yeah, she's the second. Andi is the second person I have befriended on this platform that I've actually gotten to meet. So, but just wanted to tell you the things that I use for the look. It's not this look. I just came from the dentist's office, so if I'm slurring a little bit, my mouth is a little bit numb. But I want to go ahead and get this intro in, but then you'll see the tutorial of the look that I did do, which I will place right here. That's the look that I did, and you'll see how I created it. But I used the Nomad Hudson Valley palette, one of my favorites. And this is what she looks like, so I don't blind you with the mirror. Beautiful tones. I used, I think, this here and a little bit of this for my base, and then I used Devinah shadow. So we decided to use a Nomad palette and Devinah singles. So this is one of my Devinah Z palettes that has them in it, and the ones that I used were these three right here. They do look a little bit the same, but they have some different tones. So, and I'll put a swatch of them here so you can see the different tones, but that's what I used on my lid and my lower lash line and my inner quarter. So yeah. Thank you again, Miss Andi, for taking the time. You and your husband, Anthony, both of you very sweet people. It was nice to meet him as well. Thanks so much for meeting up with us. I had a wonderful time. Hopefully we can do it again. I'm doing some other things or whatever. And I'm going to let you see the tutorial. And I will also link her video because she's also doing a video showing the look that she did. So thanks all for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so very much for supporting. Follow me on Instagram or on this platform here on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.